Meaning of homburg.
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 Homburg. Homburg is a type of hat that originated in the late 19th century in the town of Bad Homburg, Germany. It is made of wool or fur felt and is characterized by its stiff, slightly upturned brim and creased crown. The Homburg was a popular accessory among business and political leaders in the early 20th century, including Winston Churchill and Al Capone. Today, it is still worn by some men for formal occasions and is considered a classic style of hat. The Homburg's distinctive shape and elegant design continue to make it a favorite among hat enthusiasts.